Merry Christmas, Beer Geeks! This is just a really quick video to tell you about our annual Christmas live show, which is happening on the 22nd of December. That's a Thursday. It's the last Thursday before Christmas. The day after is probably your last day of work, and we are very excited to make this year's, it's an annual thing to make this year's a collaboration with Brew York. So we have 6 incredibly exciting beers. Brad's just poured me one.
Stolen me.
Stolen?
Yeah.
So we're talking big spices, cardamom, cinnamon, vanilla, candied orange, all kinds of stuff. Depending on your point of view, it's either a lactose nightmare before Christmas or a lactose
Wonderland?
dream before Wonderland. There we go. He's found it. He's found it. So yeah, we've teamed up with Brew York, who are a fantastic brewery up in York, focusing quite a lot on adjunct styles.
And puns.
And puns. Also a lot of focus on puns. So we've got some really exciting beers that are lactose heavy. One without lactose, actually, to be fair, for you vegans out there. So we've got Juice Forsyth, their juicy New England, I think, fruited pale.
Banger.
Oh yeah, fruited. Pineapple, mango, passion fruit and lactose. Why
Oof.
not? We've got a cold IPA, keeping it trendy, keeping it hip, keeping it new. We've got this beauty. Should we give it a go? Cheers, by the way. Oh my God,
mate.
I just
Merry
got a whiff
Christmas.
of that.
Whoa.
Smells like Stollen, unsurprisingly. Then we've got Ton Coco, which is a delicious, again, milk stout with tonka beans and cacao nibs.
Wow.
And vanilla. Good Lord.
Oof.
Thrice beans.
My God.
That's going to be delicious and unctuous and Christmassy as well. Ton Coco smells kind of cinnamony. We've got Dreams of New York 2022, which is a cranberry, red currant, apple and cinnamon pastry sour.
What?
And then we've got Rum Sunday, a big old rum and raisin imperial milk stout.
So basically, if you like flavour,
Yeah.
get this box, right?
Exactly. Christmas Town is Flavour Town this year for the Nightmare Before Christmas. We're not just telling you that we're going to be drinking these beers. You can drink these beers if you live, sadly, in the UK. So we will be doing a drink along. All of our live shows are always drink along. So you can buy the pack. There's a link below and in the comments and all over our social. And I might get a tattoo of it. We want to get as many people drinking these beers with us as possible. We will be tutored along by the good people of Brew York. There'll be a brewery tour.
Wow.
We will drink through all 6 of these beers. You don't have to. In fact, I wouldn't necessarily recommend it. But we'll be doing it, which is why these live shows generally descend into absolute
It's Christmas,
nonsense.
Johnny. Bring a friend.
well.
That's what I say.
Bring a friend and share
Crack
those
a beer
beers.
with a friend, mate.
Exactly that. So yeah, join us on the 22nd of December along with the good folk over at Brew York. The show starts at 8 PM. But yeah, you can get these online starting today. Do not delay because it will sell out. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.